Hi everyone, this is Alexandr Antsypov, and in this video I'm going to show how to add reading credit card information into mobile application. Let's create new one, add required plugin. Plugin consists of custom component credit card and sample screen. For testing, let's change default routing and do test. Application is ready. Let's remove frame. Our components support credit card type detection, so let's try to type American Express card. And here we see American Express logo and credit card number format. And for example, if we would type Visa card, the format will be different. Component also support verification, and after providing all information data, in console we can see logged credit card information. Now let's take a look how this application works. Sample screen consists of only one custom component, credit card, which has one property, hide card. If property equals true, in this case, this image of credit card will not be shown. And also, component has onSubmit event, which accept events argument. As you already guess, events contains information about our credit card, and it is invoked only in case when all information are provided. Here you can add your logic, for example, charging money using Stripe or another payment system. And last, what I'm going to show how to add this component into new screen. So let's go to screen 1, and everything what is needed to do, just drag and drop credit card component. This component was added in custom section after importing credit card API plugin. This is all what I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for watching.